Hey my loves, what's up? Welcome to Breakthroughs with Bansi. I'm going to name these sessions as Breakthroughs with Bansi. It just came to my mind, it just popped up into my mind, and I think it's a good name. So let's go with it, right? So on today's episode or session, I want to talk about money, and the way I talk about money and I teach about it is a bit different than how other money mindset teachers teach, wherein I really believe that you have a relationship with money just like you have a relationship with any other human, and if everything is energy, if you are also energy, then money is also energy, right? And when you both are in a vibrational match, it has to be an ideal match, right? So how I love to teach about money is that there are two differences about human relationships and your relationship with money. But before I go into the differences, I just wanted to let you know that just like a human relationship, you have to nurture your relationship with money as well. It's not like you are going to do it once and it's done. It is a daily commitment, right? If you want to really nurture any relationship, you have to give your full effort into that relationship every single day, and that is how it is going to be deepened, right? In the similar way, you have to look into your money relationship every single day. You have to nurture it every single day, right? And so the differences between human relationship and your money relationship is first that it is not having any preconceived notions or judgments about you as you have about it, meaning you have some beliefs, preconceived notions about money. You might have heard your parents say it is hard to make money, money doesn't grow on trees, and all the things that we already know. And it is something which is your past conditioning and your past programming. But money does not have such preconceived notions about you, which is a good thing, right? So only when you will work your part in the relationship, money has to follow, right? The second thing is you cannot cut off ties with money. You cannot just break up with money. You have to live with money all like lifelong, right? Because you have to survive, you have to live with it. So you might as well work on deepening your relationship. I'll tell you why I'm passionate about teaching money in this way, and why soul work and money mindset is something that are the reason for me to wake up every single day and to answer my true calling. So 2 years ago, I was in a very broken and miserable state. I knew that I wanted to teach money mindset because it is something that really lights me up. Like I can wake up in the middle of the night in order to study and talk about money mindset. It is that close to my heart and that important for my soul work fulfillment, But here's the thing, I was broken, right? So even though I was studying about money mindset and I was really passionate about it, I was broken and I did not want to be a broke person who was teaching about money mindset. So I made a soul contract in a way where I promised myself, I got committed, I became a disciplined student of money, and I promised myself that I am going to study the money mindset. I'm going to understand how this relationship with money dynamics work, right? And I have been a committed student ever since. I work on my money mindset every fucking day, you know. And so, what has that led me to do is me going from a broken, on paper successful, to being a really passionate person who's able to leave her full-time job as a chartered accountant and to do what I really, really love, which really lights me up, to make an impact in the world, from to like turning my annual income to my monthly income, from not having money to even distribute sweets when I become a chartered accountant, to now becoming debt free and supporting my family, from going 0 to 5 figures a month. Like this all cannot happen by accident, it happened by choice. I made a conscious decision that I am going to change my relationship with money. It was a very sincere commitment, just as if you have, like, I don't want to go very deep into like it will be a very extreme example, but I don't want to go like in like marriage vows, but it was like a vow like I made, like I am going to be committing myself to understanding how this works, right? Because why is it that some people are having money and they are making it so easy, like they are making it not by even working hard? So why is it that I cannot have it? And yeah, like 2 years ago I made the decision, and within like 2 years, I have been able to change the money dynamics completely, and that is why it is my mission to get money in the hands of good people who can do good things with money, so that we all can live our life's purpose on this planet, and so that we can do our soul work, right? And one thing that money gives you is freedom. And when you have freedom, you're not going to pressurize your art. You're not going to pressurize that muse within you, that inspiration within you. You can just let it flow. And that is when the real magic happens. That is when people are magnetized towards you, right? And so I am committed to teaching you and giving you the best money tips, and I don't want to say tactics and everything. I want to teach you and share with you what has really worked for me, because I am only going to share what really works, okay? So yeah, in the upcoming episodes, make sure to watch those episodes to deepen your relationship with money. If you want to deepen your relationship with money and want to go at an advanced level with me, come join my Universe Way School, which is a spiritual business training and money magic program for misfits, trailblazers, weirdos who want to make an impact on the world by doing their soul work on their own freaking terms. So yeah, that was it for today. If you are watching the replay, make sure you type in #replay so that I can understand, okay? And yeah, money is good. You are worthy of money. You can, no matter what your relationship is with money is right now, you can change it. You can better it. You can deepen it, okay? So yeah, I'll see you soon.